Data is all around us. Personal information, books, weather, numbers, everything is data. We used to store data on paper in big filing cabinets, but eventually we store them online on what we call database. So how do we easily pull the data we want to look at it? That's what SQL is for. SQL, or SQL, stands for Structured Query Language. More simple, it's used to communicate with your database. So if you want to pull, edit, add information to a database, you can use SQL to do that. But how does SQL work? Imagine that you have a warehouse and this warehouse was built using coding language like PHP, C and Java. And your customers need to access to file. How do they do that? Option 1, you could have storefront built so that customers can ask for that. But eventually, this means you are building something that takes a lot of time and money. So you need a whole app just to access files and data. Second option is hiring a specialized delivery translator, which is SQL, who knows how to talk to the database. So your customer just to talk in SQL to access file and data.